Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a LinkedIn account in 2025 step by step on iPhone. First, download the LinkedIn app from the App Store and open it. Then tap join now and then enter your email address, or you could also sign in with Apple, which is an easier option. Now, once you sign in, LinkedIn will ask you some certain questions and then you will fill out all these forms, all the credentials that it asks you, and then click on agree and join. After that, it will ask you if you're a student or not, or you could type in your job's title. Let's say you are a content creator, so click on content creator, and that's it. After that, click on your most recent company and then click on the company that you worked in. If you are actively looking for a job, then click on yes, I'm actively looking for a job, or not really but would consider the right opportunity, or no, I'm not interested in jobs. After that, click on that, and then let's say if you want, you can connect with people which lets you see updates and keep in touch if you want. Then click next and then click finish, and that's it. You have now signed in into your LinkedIn account. Privacy tip: make sure your profile visibility is set to connections only. Under settings, visibility if you prefer more privacy, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick